Hello and welcome back to another Music Cards tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you the teacher page. And the way you can get there is you can go to Assign and you can go click on Teacher Page down here. But before we do that, just a little quick recap on yesterday. These links might be a little bit difficult for your students to use. A teacher page is a way that you can put all of that together and make it one simple link, and then you could link to it, put it up as a resource on your Google Classroom page. So when you click here on teacher page, it has a little information about what it is and everything. And in order to turn it on, you go ahead and enable it. And now you have a little bit of information you can go put in here. So this is going to be Chris's music cards page. Welcome to my page, but you can go ahead and make that whatever you want. And then you have a few different options on how you want to display the content. Well, one of the things that you can do if you want to protect this from anybody on the internet accessing it, you can enable a secret word. So let's go ahead and try that. And this is kind of like a shared password that you could have. So let's say our mascot is the Bears. So we'll make it Bears. You can also, by default, it won't show the student name, so they'll have to remember like a special number or something. But if you want to, you can enable their names, so it'll actually show their names on the page. And you can also organize the students by group or by grade or by instrument. So I'm going to go ahead and organize them by group, and I'll sort them by last name. Once we have that all set up, I can go ahead and take this link right here and copy it to the clipboard and I can view it, or I can go ahead and preview the page and see how it's going to look from here. So immediately when I go to look at the preview, I have to type in, I have to go test out that secret word, and then you can see I have it says Chris's music cards page, welcome to my page, and sixth grade band, and you can see all of the students are here, and then all of the seventh grade students are also there. And of course, not in any group is Mr. Rude, but every student is listed right there. Uh, and you can, and that's a real quick way for students to find themselves. They go find them, and then they can click on this link, and it'll take them right to their music card session. How does that look in the real world? Well, if I open up a new tab and I paste that link that I had, it's a pretty simple, just have these 6 random letters to remember. So it's a pretty easy link to remember. Well, this is what it looks like on the main page, out in the real world. And any student can access this live. So they have to type in the secret word. And if we come down, we go to here, here's a daily practice link for Mr. Rude. I'll go ahead and click on that, and it takes me right there. There's my kitty cat. Hello, welcome back. And I can go ahead and start practicing my music cards. It's got me doing another pretest today. This one is the line notes. So that's essentially how you go ahead and make a music cards page for your students. Thank you so much for using music cards, and I hope you have a wonderful day.